Let's make adobong sitaw. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe. Slice pork belly into strips. Chop 4 to 6 cloves garlic. Slice 1 small onion. Prepare a small bunch long beans, then trim the ends and cut into 3-inch segments. Wash the beans under cold running water. In a pan or wok, heat 2 to 3 tablespoons cooking oil. Add chopped garlic. Sauté the garlic until fragrant. Then add the sliced onion. Cook until soft or translucent. Add the pork belly. And cook until pork turns brown. Add 1 cup water. Half a cup soy sauce. And a 1/3 cup vinegar. Cover and simmer for 10 minutes. Add the long beans and cook for 5 minutes or until vegetable is tender. I personally like my beans to be really soft and soaked in sauce. Now our adobong sitaw is ready! Adobong sitaw is best served with hot steamed rice paired with fried fish. What do you think about this recipe? Let me know in the comments. More recipes at PinoyCookingRecipes.com. Thanks for watching!